Hey everybody, how are you? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Tata Tidu here. We live. I'm back. Last week couldn't record, couldn't do my recordings, didn't do any analysis online, but I was analyzing, right? So this week I'm back and just gonna go through the market, right? So what you see on my analysis is my weekly gap. I've annotated that, and during London we tested it at 11:30. Then went higher to test a previous week's gap, and then we dropped and took out the liquidity. All right. So what I'm looking at now, and just changed to 1 hour time frame, is that we took out this old liquidity from the 31st of Jan, and there is a fair value gap on the 25th of Jan, and just underneath that there is some liquidity and other fair value gaps. So my prediction is that since we came from higher, went lower to here, retraced, and then took out the liquidity right now, today, right? So I'm thinking that we might creep into these lows, right? Might creep into those lows, and how I'll be entering is looking at the behavior after half past 4 South African time, 8 o'clock, is it half past 8 New York time, and that's half past 9 Asian time, the one that I'm using because I'm in Asia at the moment. So yeah, I'm expecting them to go lower. I'm expecting them to go lower into those lows that I just showed you guys, and otherwise if I look higher, we filled we filled this FVG and then took out the liquidity during London, right? So what's happening now is that I'll just watch the market. I'll just watch the market. This should have been I should have entered here, but then just because of New York is not open yet, I trade New York time, New York first session or the second session. So I was just watching this, and it delivered to the T. And yeah, so that's it. So this is going to be a short video. Um, Nothing is happening at the moment. They created a liquidity. They created liquidity here. So let's analyze what they did during London session, right? So as you know, I always say the wicks are are my buy-in, right? So I'll look at this, and these wicks they went lower, then they came back today. But then let's see if put a trend line on that, right? And change it. Okay, paste that, and boom. All right. So look at how they were respecting the closure of Friday today, right? But this is too clean, right? It's too clean, and they might just drive this out, Right. So there is liquidity resting over there. Mm. So liquidity is resting over there, and then I'll put it like that. So that's my liquidity, and we have a small FVG over here, which was not tested. Right. A small liquidity over there, which was not tested, and then these one were filled. But then this is not tested, and there's also liquidity resting over there. So going higher, these will be my target areas. Target areas, right? And what I am expecting them to do is hit lower maybe, and then drive higher, or drive higher, take out this liquidity, and then drive lower, right? And we'll still go back to the market sentiment, which is fake move Monday and peak high on Tuesday or Wednesday, and then or peak low on Tuesday or Wednesday, and then dump the market. So be so that's what I'm waiting for, and then yeah, that's it. So I'm done with the short clips. I'm trying to keep them under 10 minutes. So as long as I've covered everything or what I'm looking at, um, let's meet on Wednesday or Thursday. I think will be best. Let's meet on Thursday where we analyze the market and see where the market is then. All right. Otherwise, cheers. Bye, everyone.